murder trial is underway for Steven Schlapia, accused in a shooting in Mountain Gate back in 2022. Action News Now reporter Jesse Angelo takes us inside the courtroom.
Several people took the stand today in the murder trial of Steven Schlapia, who is accused of killing Jim Schwerdt back in March of 2022. Among the witnesses today was Ian Dickerson, one of Schlapia's neighbors and a retired Butte County Sheriff's deputy. He testified that he was out in his truck and heard several gunshots come from the Schlapia residence. That's when he started recording the situation on his cell phone. He testified that he heard the victim screaming and moaning in pain, saying things like, "Why have you done this? Why are you hurting me?" Meanwhile, also hearing Schlapia yell insults and profanities at the victim. That's when he heard a final gunshot, and then the moaning and screaming ceased on the scene. He also called 911 at that point to report what he was seeing, and also during that phone call saw Schlapia start several fires on the property and throwing what he said appeared to be gasoline into his garage. Also taking the stand today was Matt Alexander of the CAL FIRE Police. He testified that he was there at two different capacities. One as a law enforcement agent assisting Shasta County Sheriff's deputies, the other as a fire investigator. He testified that the victim had been burned using an accelerant and an open flame. He also testified that there was a motorcycle on the scene that had also been burned. The prosecution plans to bring several more witnesses to the stand as this trial continues. In Reading, Jesse Angelo, Action News Now.
Schwerdt was shot to death on Fernie Way in Mountain Gate in March of 2022.